Hi, this is Ganesh Kumar. Welcome to my channel Automotivate India. It has been quite a journey, yes. 3 decades with the automobile industry across various geographies in India, different brands, different cultures, different people. Learned a lot working for almost 30 years in the industry, and now I have realized that it is time to give back to the industry what I have learned over 30 years. I have worked with almost all the Indian and the global brands, handling the complete spectrum of dealership operation. And if you look at sales has evolved during the past century, and a lot more is going to happen in the next 5 years. Experts believe that the way we do sales is changing in the next 5 years. So far, we have been concentrating on focusing on the selling process or the sales process, where we focus on the seller, whereas the focus should be on the buyer, because we are trying to solve their problems. So, in the next 5 years, there is going to be a drastic change. Sales have transformed from 1800s, when the first recorded salesperson was a snake oil salesman, followed by NCR, the company which created the first sales training module. And now in the new millennium, the professionals are following challenger selling or consultative selling. There are about 21 different accepted or popular methodologies of sale. So how it has evolved from the past century to what it is today, and what it is going to happen in the next 5 years. It will be a buying process than a selling process. So I'll give you tips and the new methodologies, or we will discuss about them in this channel, and you are welcome to subscribe so we can see further as we progress week after week or in every discussion. You can also interact with me through my website. I will share the details at the bottom of this, and or what you want to hear further from me, you can also be communicated to me. So please do subscribe and press the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.